Hello guys, today's lesson will be about conjunctions and, but, so, and because. Let's first look at these sentences. My friend is smart and hardworking. I love languages, but I hate maths. I am tired, so I will go to bed. I will go to bed because I am tired. The words you see in the red color and, but, so, and because are called conjunctions. You might be asking, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a connecting word that connects words or short sentences. It can connect words just like in this example. My friend is smart and hardworking. We also use conjunctions to connect short sentences. For example, I will go to bed because I am sick. We use and to add information. For example, my friend is smart and hardworking. You can see the first quality my friend has, which is that he is smart, and the added information is hardworking. We use but to show an opposite idea. An example is, I love languages, but I hate maths. You can see that in this example we have two opposite ideas, something I love and something I hate. We use so to show the result of an action or the result of a condition. For example, I am tired, so I will go to bed. The conjunction so here is used before the result of the condition. We use because to show the cause of an action. For example, I will go to bed because I am tired. The conjunction because in this example is used before the cause or the reason of the action. Let's now practice using these conjunctions. In the following exercise, I would like you to complete the listed sentences with the correct conjunction and, but, so, or because. I would like you now to stop the video, think of the exercise and answer so you can compare your answers with the key answers we shall give later. Now as you have finished, let's correct the exercise. Sentence number 1 says, I want to go to the beach. It's raining. You can see that we have two opposite ideas. I would like to go to the beach, but there's a problem. It's raining. So the correct answer is but. I want to go to the beach, but it's raining. Sentence 2 says, fruits taste good. They are healthy for the body. You can see two similar ideas or kind of added information. So the correct answer is fruits taste good and they are healthy for the body. Number 3 says, Sarah always gets good grades. Why? It's because she works hard. Number 4. I think math is difficult. I like it. Again, two opposite ideas. The correct answer is, I think math is difficult, but I like it. Sentence 5. I don't feel well. I will go and see a doctor. I don't feel well, so I will go and see a doctor. The last sentence, I often stay home and watch a movie on Sundays. I often stay home and watch a movie on Sundays. Thank you. I'll see you later.